Welcome back to my channel without introductions. Today I will be talking about the benefits of self-care and how to prioritize it in your life as of 2023. Now I know what you're thinking. Self-care is just for people who are so into their appearance and want to spend their time at the spa. But honestly, that's not so true. Self-care is more about taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. And trust me, everyone can benefit from a little bit of self-care. And why I chose this topic? Because it has so many benefits on so many different levels. It can help reduce stress, improve your mood, boost your self-esteem, and even benefit your physical health. I personally used to be someone who puts myself last and never made time for self-care. I was always on the go and never took a moment to slow down. But then I realized that my constant hustle is taking it all on my physical and mental health. I was burnt out and unhappy. And that's where I decided that I have to make a change. I admit it, at first it was a bit hard and awkward to make time for myself and prioritize my well-being. But as I started to incorporate more self-care activities into my daily routine, I started to notice some improvement in my overall health. I was less stressed, happier, even more productive. I also noticed some change in my sleeping habit and I was more energetic. But the obvious question here is, how do you fit self-care in our busy daily life? I don't know what you're looking at. No, I'm joking. So here's the trick. It's all about finding what works for you and then make it a priority. And this means it might take the place of something else. It can be something very small at first, like taking a bubble bath after a long day, treating yourself to a massage, or even starting some yoga classes weekly. Whatever it is, remember that you're doing this for yourself and make sure it nourishes your mind, body, and soul. And don't forget, self-care doesn't have to be a luxury, and don't feel guilty while doing this activity. It can be something very simple like taking a walk outside or treating yourself to a nice meal. The key is to make time for it and not let it fall to your bottom of your to-do list. So don't wait any longer. Choose one self-care activity that you want to start in 2023. Remember, it's not luxury, it's a necessity. You have to take care of yourself to be able to take care of others. So this year is your year. I want to wish you all Merry Christmas and a happy, new, fruitful, productive, minimalistic year. See you next year.